Well, MTC Monovalve update. It can only mean one thing, a new prime bag. Yep. We got another one. So, it lasted all of a couple days and then only had heat at under 2,500 RPMs, or about 2,500 and under. So pretty much any freeway driving, the thing would not blow hot. Sometimes it would blow if you kept the heater on full blast to where it wasn't cycling the monovalve on and off, you know, where it was just basically leaving the monovalve in the, I guess, open position to where it would, I don't know if you want to call it open or closed, but basically in the position where it's going to send water to the heater core. If you left it at full blast, it would work sometimes. But then you would get the heater works pretty good in this thing, so it would get pretty stuffy inside. So it's not ideal either. Make sure there's no pressure on the coolant system. So we're replacing it again. Maybe, and we'll see what, if we can tell what failed on this one. You know, if we can see if the diaphragm ripped, or you know, if the diaphragm looks okay and maybe it wasn't the magnet, you know, the magnetic material in it wasn't enough of it to make it strong enough. I don't know. So y'all will find out as I find out. We got our new one ready. Luckily this thing is easy to replace. Pull it all out at once. Seems to be the easiest route. So that diaphragm to me looks okay. We'll investigate a little further, but take the wavy washer off. We're gonna drop the new wavy washer on, and a flat washer, and drop the cartridge in, and drop the assembly in. Yeah, it seems to be the easiest way to get this thing in and out. And like I said, I mean, the good thing is it is easy to replace. We've got a little bit warmer weather right now. That's the thing here, is that, you know, it'll be cold one day, hot the other. It's probably in the 60s right now, so you know, not bad. It's kind of nice weather. It'll get down probably in the 50s tonight, be in the 50s in the morning. So I might run the heater a little bit in the morning. So we'll see. Probably won't run it much because it's not that cold. I end up wearing the screws out on this thing. We'll do a little bit of investigating on this thing, see if we can figure out what happened to it, but not a lot. We'll just I'll turn the light on. Let me screw these back in, then I'll turn the light on and we'll take a closer look, see if we see any rips in it. Alright, so let's peel this back. And if you look, let's see. Look, there's coolant. There's coolant in here. There should not be coolant on this side of it. That should be sealed off. So, you know, maybe this thing has a pinhole in it. It looks to be in good shape. I don't see any spots. Maybe right there. Maybe that's a rip. Oh, is that a rip? No, I don't think so. Let's get this thing sealed back up. The wavy washer. And put it back in here. And, you know, that's why I ordered this thing from Amazon. You can get them cheaper from eBay, but I knew if I ordered it from Amazon, you know, and it's shipped by Amazon, that I would have no issue, you know, if this thing failed, getting it warrantied. And not only that, them shipping me a new one before they received my old one, because I don't want to be having to take this thing apart, put one of my old defective ones in, ship theirs back, and then when I get their new one, take my old defective one out and put the new one in. You know, I'd be doing the job twice for every time I had to warranty it. Amazon, I tell them, hey, this thing's bad. They ship me a new one, then I've got, you know, a couple weeks to send this one back. I'm gonna go ahead and send it back in case this one fails right off the bat. But we're gonna ship this one back, and you know, hopefully we end up getting one that will last. That kind of seems to be the deal with these things. People say, you know, they got bad ones, and then like on the third one they got a good one that seemed to work. So that's kind of what I'm hoping, is we'll eventually get one that works. Like I said, this one seemed to work for about a day or two, and then it failed. So let's hope for the best, and I'll keep y'all updated. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more.